10 years ago, a head teacher from Scotland called Elaine Wyllie had the brilliant idea of getting children outside, feeling the benefits of physical activity from a young age.
The Daily Mile happens in school or nursery. The children go out for 15 minutes a day to walk, jog, run, averaging a mile in almost all weathers.
At her own school, it was really popular. Elaine called it the Daily Mile, and before long, it took off all over Scotland.
It would be fantastic for every school in Scotland to adopt this. It should be a key part for every school child as part of their education.
I want to make sure that Scotland becomes the first Daily Mile nation in the world.
But it needed someone to believe it could go further. The movement caught the eye of Sir Jim Ratcliffe, the chairman of INEOS and a big fan of sport.
You know, both Go Run for Fun and the Daily Mile are both sort of targeted at trying to improve children's health by introducing the sort of concepts of regular exercise, which, of course, you know, in the modern world, they tend to lead a more sedentary life, and the exercise bit's been forgotten. So both these foundations sort of, you know, trying to get to the heart of that, really.
INEOS sponsored a kids' fitness charity already, Go Run for Fun, so it was a perfect fit. In 2016, INEOS became lead partner and the Daily Mile Foundation was born.
Getting children to be active more regularly, connecting with their friends, connecting with nature outside, all of these things can support better mental health for children.
The Daily Mile, it's a very simple idea. The health benefits are fantastic.
One thing we are going to do this morning is the Daily Mile. Do you want to set us off? Okay.
With Sir Jim's backing, things really started to gather pace.
So we really need to encourage everybody across the UK to get involved in a scheme like this.
Daily Mile, 15 minutes a day, that's all.
We're doing it at my school.
Yeah, I used to run 2 miles to school every day and 2 miles home.
Currently, just under half of primary schools in Greater Manchester are doing the Daily Mile. I would like it to be all schools and all children doing it every day.
In 2018, ITV became a media partner, broadcasting a series of TV adverts.
I jump. I fly. I roll in the sky.
With their help, the whole country learned the name, resulting in 11,000 new schools signing up.
Partnerships have been super important for the development of the Daily Mile, and one in particular has been ITV.
The children are just desperate to do it. They're always asking, can we go out and do the Daily Mile? And if the mornings are particularly long, it just breaks it up, helps them to concentrate.
You can see they absolutely love it. We're hoping to set them up for life, and we really know that what we do in these first 5 years absolutely impacts children for the rest of their lives.
We get lots of exercise and it's really fun.
And how did you find it at the beginning?
Very hard. And now it's quite easy for us.
The initiative's profile continued to rise, promoted by a brilliant advert in cinemas across the UK.
This February, the Kid Who Would Be King is supporting the Daily Mile, encouraging more schools across the UK to sign up and get fit for life.
Who will swear allegiance?
By 2022, 1 million children in the USA were taking part too.
They crave the Daily Mile, and eventually the students then drive the initiative. So we're looking to welcome any and all that want to put the health and well-being of children first.
By 2024, that had become 5 million children in 20,000 schools across 96 countries.
I went on the Daily Mile!
And did you love it?
Yeah!
Sign your school up to the Daily Mile website and let's get our kids fit for life, because the Daily Mile works.
10 years on, it's still growing, but now it's ready for its next chapter.
I could not imagine when the Daily Mile started 10 years ago that there'd be children across the world running the Daily Mile. Actually, it's obviously mind-boggling, I can't get my head around it, but it certainly gives me a warm glow when I think about it.
Now, it's someone else's turn to keep this running.
INEOS has taken the Daily Mile from obscurity to being a household name, and that's incredible.
It has exceeded expectations. I think this is just a stage along the way, really. I'm sure it will just continue to catch on and grow.
INEOS are handing over this amazing charity to the London Marathon Foundation, who will carry it forward to reach millions more children.